In criminal law, an accomplice, which is a person who provides aid, assistance, or encouragement to another person in the commission of a crime, may be guilty of the crime itself. But to be liable as an accomplice, must the person act with the intent of promoting or facilitating the commission of the crime? Or is it enough that the person did in fact promote or facilitate the crime? The Hawaii Supreme Court considered this question in State v. Soares. In August of 1989, Ronald Soares and Hollie Suratt went into a Holiday Mart store in Hawaii looking to acquire cigarettes. While watching security cam footage, Mitchell Tam, a Holiday Mart store detective, saw Soares and Suratt put several cartons of cigarettes into a shopping cart. Tam then saw Soares put the cigarettes into a large handbag. Soares and Suratt later left the store with Suratt carrying the handbag without paying for the cigarettes. Outside the store, Tam and a store clerk approached Soares and Suratt. Tam identified himself, showed his badge, and told them that they were under citizen's arrest for shoplifting. Tam then grabbed Soares and, while struggling to contain him, told the clerk to stop Suratt from leaving the area. However, Soares broke free from Tam's grasp and fled. Suratt then tricked the clerk into looking in the other direction and fled the scene with the bag. Subsequently, Suratt was arrested and charged in State Circuit Court with second-degree robbery. A few months later, Soares was also arrested and charged in State Circuit Court with second-degree robbery based on a theory of accomplice liability. Suratt's and Soares' trials were then consolidated. At trial, the jury was instructed on accomplice liability. Specifically, it was instructed that all persons who are present and participate in the commission of a crime are responsible for the acts of each other done or made in furtherance of the crime. In addition, it was instructed that it's not necessary to prove that each committed all the acts of the crime. Rather, each person who does one act that is an ingredient of the crime or immediately connected with it may be liable as if he or she committed the entire crime. Following trial, Suratt and Soares were convicted. Both appealed to the Hawaii Supreme Court, arguing that the court erred in submitting the accomplice instruction to the jury.